But let's just talk about some of the myths that AI have. One of the myths is that AI is against God. It replaces God's power. So what everyday folks really mean is that they feel like technology is crossing spiritual boundaries, like humans are playing creator and trying to design life, intelligence, or control destiny. I want to know what you think about that. But the real answer is AI, isn't life. It doesn't have a soul, free will, or spiritual authority. It's math predicting patterns, not creations, not consciousness, not divine power. So, if anything, AI is a tool the same way we use medicine, microphones, cars, electricity, and even the internet. Were tools people were once afraid of. So, faith and technology don't compete. So, technology is simply humans trying to understand and organize what God already created. So, with that in mind, we need to try to relax a little bit. Sometimes, you had your grandparents or people from an older generation. The first thing they say is, "Oh, AI, it replaces God and everything." I just want you guys. I'm just trying to give you some factual information and let you know that those are all myths. You know what I mean?